So high right now, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep on y'all ass. I remember y'all trying to assassinate me right now in 2024. That's what I remember. Am I on trial?
No, sir, you're not.
Hey, what's good? This your boy Hoghead with Hoghead TV. Like and subscribe to the motherfucking channel. Okay, now we got this YSL witness, or he was trying to go against YSL at first when he was supposedly been talking to the detectives and said that, you know, he was the driver and Young Thug was in the car. Because, you know, the prosecution is trying to make it look like YSL is a gang, you feel me? And so he like, you know, hey, Hunter, I don't know what's going on right now. Hey, I'm hiding the motherfucker, you know what I mean? So now he playing stupid, so hey, that lets you know, hey, he really snitched. So let's check it out.
Trying to assassinate me right now in 2024. That's what I remember. This what I remember. All this going on right here on this, got me up on this stand, talking about this and that third, all this extra stuff that's going on, Your Honor. Am I on trial, Your Honor?
Sir, you just have to answer the questions unfortunately at this point in time, okay? That's all I can tell you.
Am I on trial?
No, sir, you're not on trial. But you have been properly summoned here as a witness and you're subject to examination until I release you.
I never consent to do none of this, sir. I ain't signed nothing. My name ain't on nothing. They come give it, y'all don't threaten to lock me up. Hey, I got a family too.
Yeah, nigga, you was on some snitching shit. Adrian Bean, baghead ass nigga, you was telling to get up out of a situation, and you trying to act like you don't know what's going on. You see Young Thug sitting right there, you know what the fuck you said, now you trying to play like a dodo and act like a stupid ass, like you don't know what's going on. Use a motherfucking rat. You can't unchange from being a rat, use a rat. Now let's get back into this next clip.
Prosecutors attempt to place Young Thug at the scene of a 2013 armed robbery and car chase. Bean already served time for the offense, admitting to being the getaway driver. He also admitted to investigators that Young Thug was involved, but ended up getting away. Check out his questioning by Young Thug's defense.
You just heard that you explained that you qualified it as the detectives and police. And I asked you the authorities, the police, the prosecutors, I just made it broad, that they forced Jeffrey Williams into it. Did you hear you say that?
Man, can I get the water or something? I'm so high right now, y'all. I'm about to go to sleep on y'all ass. I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
Yes, you may. We're gonna take a break.
Yeah. Now your boy talking about that he ain't on trial, but shit, you told some motherfucking evidence, and that's how the police know what's going on. So you have been summoned as a motherfucking witness because you said that you seen Young Thug up in the car during the motherfucking robbery. You said that shit. You said that you was a motherfucking driver. Now let's get into the next motherfucking clip. Yeah, we on that Hennessy.
Dave, I don't really have no knowledge of nothing. I put everything behind me from back then, and I just left everything. I've been kind of blacked out ever since then about everything that went on with me in my life back then.
Okay. And what things are you talking about, Mr. Dickens?
I suffered from Molly. I don't know if y'all familiar with that.
You said you suffered from Molly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't know if anybody in the courtroom is familiar with that, but I took a lot of drugs back in the day. You understand something? Because I really don't understand what's going on. I don't remember. My head hurt. They keep asking me questions about this, keep asking me questions about that. By 2013, I don't remember.
No, you can't be excused at this point in time, Mr. B. You're subject to examination. I
don't remember.
Who you just told the jury, the Honorable Judge Glanville, and all of us that you've been threatened to be locked up.
I didn't consent to come to get on this stand to be a witness, first of all.
Who threatened you to lock you? Lock you up means go to jail.
There wasn't no threat. The subpoena go out. They say you don't show up, they gonna lock you up. You go to jail or whatever, and all this little extra stuff like that right there. I ain't here to point fingers at nobody, say nothing like that. That ain't my job.
But you just
It
said
ain't for me to mention what nobody got going on in their life. I got my own problem.
who threatened you. You just told the jury that you've been
I
threatened.
done had all kind of threats, man. Y'all just explored my whole phone number on to the world. People calling my phone right now threatening me, texting my phone. I ain't had no sleep. I've been up all night since yesterday, 7 o'clock, from 7 o'clock yesterday to 6 o'clock this morning. Still getting calls. Still getting texts. That's my personal line y'all just gave out. On live to the public, to the whole wide world.
Well, he said he was suffering from drugs and Molly. You know what I mean? He was high than a motherfucker, so I guess it is what it is. Crackhead.
Heard a recording of your conversation with the authorities, whomever, at the hospital on September 11th, 2013.
And Your Honor, that's where I'm going to object, because
Basis.
again, this
What's the basis? for your-
assumes facts that are not in evidence.
It's what
and,
Mr.
And Your Honor, I'm going to object because based on what Mr. Steele, the recording Mr. Steele provided me, that is not what is being said.
That is exactly what it
It
said.
is not.
I'm sustaining the objection, Mr. Steele.
Your Honor, Mr. Bean just said it, 1417. That's why I was letting them know I really don't know what's going on.
He did not.
Them.
That's not the question asked.
It is the what I'm getting at is he.
Oh shit, so this nigga snitching on 9/11. What a rat, what a rat. Don't get caught snitching around this man. He gonna tell every motherfucking thing. They using everything against motherfucking Young Thug. And this dude right here, he's scared in the motherfucker because he talking about he be getting calls and texts. They need to go find this nigga on Martin Luther King somewhere. This nigga over there getting high on some crack, some fentanyl. Hey, he just fucked up and drugged out. That's why he looked tired over there on the damn bench stand.
I don't have anything from the district attorney's office or law
What did I
enforcement.
tell you about
I
that?
have nothing.
What did I tell you about that?
I'm asking the witness if he has heard anything, seen anything. That's my question.
He is assuming facts that are not in evidence.
I'm not assuming any fact. I'm asking.
I'll overrule that objection. You can ask him that. You can ask him that question.
Remember whether or not they started and stopped that recording while speaking to you.
That never happened, Your Honor. Mr. Steele, you cannot comment. That is improper. Sir, that is improper. That is improper. You're not examining this witness at this point in time. Sir, please be quiet. Sit down. Sit down, sir. Do you have an objection, Mr.
Yes, assume facts not evidence, no good faith basis.
I'm gonna overrule the objection.
That's in front of you. If a person was going to climb the wall where the fence is down, where you ran through that
Objection,
fence,
Your Honor, calls for speculation.
I sustain the question.
if
Objection calls for speculation.
I'm asking him a question,
Still, if invites speculation, so rephrase it.
can you explain to the jury how a person on September 11, 2013 would run towards the police car to climb that wall where the fence is down with the police right there?
Judge, I'm going to object as to the form.
I sustain the question.
Are you telling the jury that you see someone, Mr. Williams, running and climbing the wall where the barbed wire's down, right where the police are? Are you telling the jury that?
He didn't tell.
I sustain the question.
Is that what you're telling this jury?
Objection, Your Honor, he just said he doesn't know.
I sustain the question. Mr. Steele, let's move on.
All right.